Hello students, let us see this question here. The space between plates of a capacitor is filled two dielectric slab of dielectric constants K1 and K2 and the equivalent dielectric constant will be, it is asking. So as you all know, since you see here this is a capacitor and the space is filled with two capacitance, two dielectric here, and here the distance is divided. So you can use the C equivalent formula, right? C equivalent formula, the A, right, so let us assume the area is, so you can assume like the area is A here, so A, E naught divided by D1, so D1 upon K1 plus D2 upon K2, so this is the C equivalent. Alright, now if I, okay, so this is the C equivalent, right, so now I need to find what is the equivalent, right, what is the equivalent dielectric constant. So let us assume that the K equivalent is K eq. So now if I write the C equivalent, assuming that the space is filled with one dielectric having the dielectric constant as K equivalent, then here the C equivalent can be written like A E naught upon the total distance is D1 plus D2, right? This is the capacitance when there is no capacitor, only air is there. Now I am assuming the space is filled with a single dielectric having the dielectric constant as K equivalent, so I will have to simply multiply it. Okay, now two equations I am getting, right, I am getting this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2 here. I will equate both these equations. So equating equation 1 and 2, I will say like A E naught upon D1 upon K1 plus D2 upon K2 is equal to A E naught divided by D1 plus D2 into K equivalent. So A E naught, this two will get cancelled out, and this I can say like right. So D1 plus D2 can be taken left hand side. So I will say D1 plus D2 divided by D1 by K1 plus D2 by K2, and that is equal to K equivalent. So if you'll see, or if you do the further calculation, then you will get, right, then you will get D1, right, sorry, D1 plus D2 into K1 into K2, right. I am trying to multiply numerator and denominator with K1 K2. So here you will get, so here, right, if you multiply this one with K1 K2, so K1 will get cancelled out, you will get your D1 into K2 plus D2 into K1. So this is coming K equivalent. Okay, so now see which option is matching here. You will easily see D1 plus D2 K1 K2, D1, right, K1 D2 and K2 D1. So option C is matching. So you can say like option 3 is the answer here. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.